Well, hi friends, Suzanne here. Welcome to another Monday Makes video on my YouTube channel and blog. For today's project, I am featuring the Cup of Tea bundle. You'll find this on page 13 of the brand new annual catalog. It's all the rage. It has a really cute teacup and there's like little tea bag tags and super cute. So this is an adhesive sheet and I am using the brand new in color called Orchid Oasis. One of these days I'll get the names right. So I did put adhesive sheet on the back of that. I'm making this die cut a sticker. So I am using my mini cut and emboss machine. I cannot live without this. It sits just to the right of me on a little shelf next to my desk, or I should say left of me. I don't know my left from my rights. And I use it all the time for these little things. Now, oftentimes I have seen people overcrowd their mini cut and emboss machine with too many dies. I say do one at a time. It's a lot quicker. You're not going to break your machine. You're not going to force it, all of that. So if I can give one little hint to how to use the mini cut and emboss machine, that would be it. So I cut the teacup and then the decorative part of the teacup. And now this is from the layering circles. This is a scallop circle. I don't use the scallops very often, but I thought I would use it today. And I'm watching the, I think Amber Heard and Johnny Depp case on YouTube here. So I might be slightly distracted as I'm creating because I think I'm like hyper obsessed with the case now. Anyway, it's been the topic of the salon as well. I'm on Team Depp, just in case you wanted to know. Anyway, here we are with, I'm taking all the little negative pieces away from the decorative part, and I'm attaching that to the solid teacup. Now, think about if you used white for the decorative part and then the colored cardstock for the teacup, or what happens if you used designer series paper and then the decorative. So there's a lot of different ways that you can use this. You could also use the image that stamps. I just love it. I just think it's so fun. So I'm attaching the teacup, the decorative teacup, to my fresh freesia scallop circle. And then I did put dimensional adhesive on that. So this is my card front. I have left just a very tiny amount of border around. And this is the, what's it called? The Tea Boutique 6x6 Designer Series paper. I did get a smattering of it because I was part of my own product share. So happy that we were able to do that. It's nice to get together with people and share the embellishments and that sort of thing, ribbons and paper. It gives you a smattering of everything, and if you like it, you can always go back and do more. So I stamped my thank you on a little strip of paper here. This is a sentiment from the Cup of Tea stamp set. And basically, I'm just using my paper trimmer to cut up to my sentiment. And then I am going to fussy cut this sentiment out. So what this is going to do, it's given me a little bit of a different sentiment strip. You don't have to do the same sentiment strip, just cut it out on a circle. You can if you want to. This is just a little bit one step further to create a wow factor in your card. Now, don't get me wrong. If you don't like fussy cutting, and I know that there's people out there who don't like it, raise your hand. I'm talking about you. This is kind of a simple way of doing it because you're just going to get the top and the bottom of that fussy cutting. So, but of course you don't have to. Of course, I could have made this strip as long or as wide as the sentiment. So I'm just doing something different. And, that's what That's what it's about to be a creative person. You like to play around with some of the items and your products and to do something different. I did put this sentiment strip up on dimensional adhesive, and I like to get, an even coverage so we don't have sagging. Just removing the release paper from the dimensionals, and then I'm just going to adhere that right over top of that Teapot Designer Series paper. Then just this little bit of the scallop circle right next door. So dimensionals on the top and the bottom, and then just regular, this is my, what's it called? Seal Plus. And then, I'm just going to attach that straight to my card front. I'm using the heart, I think they're called heart pearls. I didn't like the frosted ones, but I did like the pearlescent ones. So again, you can see all the supplies I used today listed below in the video See More section or in the supplies section of my blog. And those fast links will take you to my Canadian online store, where I would love the chance to meet you and earn your business. So thank you so much for watching, and bye for now.